Dito sa amin, we're always committed in doing quality and affordable services, and your appearance is our highest priority. I'm Ariel Salenga, owner of Rampton Salon Halahala and Mape Spa Wellness and Aesthetic, Halahala Branch. Tara, ngayong araw, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang quality and affordable services dito sa amin.
Tell us about your business and paano po siya nagsimula.
Actually, dati akong OFW. As an OFW, siyempre, ang goal naman natin ay kumita and mag-provide sa pamilya. In my experience, I have 12 years experience as overseas Filipino worker. Nangarap din ako na sabi ko, isa sa mga goal ko ay makaipon para sana magkasama na lang kami ng pamilya. However, nung nangyari yung pandemic, dun talaga nag-change yung mindset na yun nga, lockdown, travel bans, almost year and a half ako na hindi nakauwi. Hindi ko nakita ang mga anak ko at asawa. So sabi ko, why not mag-isip na lang kami ng business para magkasama na lang kami while making our dreams come true. Yun nga, so after nawala na yung travel ban, nakauwi ako. Nag-pamper kami ng asawa ko sa Rampton, Tanay, one of the main branch since 2018. Founder, CEO, Mr. Rampton M. Frias. Talagang todo na-relax kami, talagang maganda yung naging experience namin. Na-achieve namin yung gusto naming relaxation actually. So naisip namin na why not na dali natin siya sa Halahala. Yung customer, after a long tiring day, pwede silang mag-relax. Kasi we all deserve relaxation, stress-free. Ito na nga, meron na tayong one-stop shop, Rampton Salon Halahala. Together with Mape Spa Wellness and Aesthetic. Marami tayong services na ino-offer. All kinds of hair services. Nandiyan ang balayage, rebond, botox, any kind of treatment with our own formulated hair products. We have nail, gel, polish, foot spa, hand spa, manicure and pedicure with different kind of nail art designs. Meron kaming any kind of body massage, facial, microblading, microshading, any kind. One-stop shop na po tayo dito sa branch namin dito sa Halahala.
Ano po yung mga challenges na encountered?
Yung salon kasi hindi siya basic needs. Hindi naman siya actually talaga kailangan siya daily. Kumbaga yung longevity ng customers, hindi naman lagi magpapagawa. Challenges namin is how to engage with more customers. Yung kahit hindi siya season for salon, kailangan mag-isip kami ng mga promos and different kinds of para ma-attract natin yung customer with still good quality services and affordable price. Meron tayong buy one take one promo. We also have a voucher discount card which is you can avail. Nandun na po halos lahat with a lot of less discount sa services. Birthday promo, 50% promo, a lot of promo actually. We also post it on our official Facebook page, Rampton Salon.
Sa ngayon sir, kamusta po yung business niyo?
Since the opening ng Rampton Salon, Halahala, since March 17, 2023, ongoing naman po ang business. Actually, we're second year. Congratulations to us. Hoping na we can still manage to continue with more years and until be very successful as a pioneer here in Halahala. Dignity and respect is first hand in our dealing with everybody. Kasi yung respeto kasi binibigay po yan sa lahat. We have a good quality relationship sa staff namin. Hindi lang namin sila tao, halos family namin sila. Together with the customer, para maitrato nila ng tama, hindi mamimili sa life status, hindi porki may kaya si ganito, mapera si ganito. Kumbaga, lahat naman ay nirerespeto natin. Hindi tayo tumitingin sa life status. Basta pumasok dito sa amin, welcome po sila at marerelax po talaga sila dito sa amin. Please come and experience Rampton Salon Halahala and Mape Spa Wellness and Aesthetic. Rampton Salon Halahala is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Mape Spa Wellness and Aesthetic is open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Please also like our official Facebook page, Rampton Salon Halahala and Mape Spa Wellness and Aesthetic.